guys, how many ways of investing do you know of? Have you considered these three ways of investing? Here are the three different ways to invest. The first way is investing for capital gain. Someone investing for capital gain will buy an asset like gold, wait for the price of gold to go up, and then sell it to create an income. Another way to invest is by hedging or for insurance purposes. Someone who's afraid that the dollar will go away will buy an asset like gold because the dollar and the gold have an inverse relationship. And the third way of investing is investing for cash flow. Instead of buying gold, we can buy gold miners or companies that mine the gold, and when they're profitable they usually issue dividends quarterly. So one way to cash flow the stock market is by collecting dividends. Another way of cash flowing the stock market is by collecting option premiums. The presentation of this concept was actually introduced to me by Andy Tanner from Cashflow Academy of Rich Dad Poor Dad community. I mainly focus on teaching how to cash flow the stock market by collecting option premiums. If you're interested, head over to my website, optionwits.com, and I'll be happy to teach you. Check out this next video about the 7 steps to option trading expertise.